Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Ra Ahmed from the Opening Academy, and I'm recording this video to revise with you what we talk. Assalamu alaikum, ya Nafisa, how are you? Hope you're okay? And everything is okay, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, we start to take articulation points. And we said articulation points mean makharij or makhraj. Articulation point, it's makhraj. And the plural word makharij, articulation points. And it's so important to know articulation points. By knowing articulation points, we know each place that we pronounce the letters. So we could pronounce letters correctly. And we said also articulation point, there are two types, approximate and specific. Specific, like tongue, lips, throat, and approximate like nasal cavity and jaw. But before, we have like 5 major areas. Give us 17 articulation points. These 5 major areas: الجوف, nasal cavity, الحلق, tongue, and lips. And we talk, alhamdulillah, الجوف. So let's revise الحلق. الحلق, throat, and throat here. We have 3 points in throat يا نفيسة. هي أقصى الحلق and أدنى الحلق and وسط الحلق. So here, بسم الله, here أدنى الحلق, the closest part, وسط الحلق, middle part, أقصى الحلق, deepest part. We pronounce, you remember يا نفيسة when we said in إظهار letters, throat letters, همزة, ها, عين, حا, غين, خا. So we pronounce from throat these letters, these 6 letters, همزة, ها, عين, حا, غين, خا. همزة and ها from deepest part, أقصى الحلق. عين and ها from middle part. And غين, خا from closest part or أدنى الحلق. Here there is in the throat 3 articulation points for 6 letters. These 3 areas are أدنى الحلق, closest part, وسط الحلق, middle part, أقصى الحلق, deepest part. And then here, the difference between الها and الهمزة, letter ها and همزة. When we pronounce ها, همزة ها, when we pronounce ها, the vocal cords are opened. It's ها, ها. But when we pronounce همزة, the vocal cords, they are closed. Cords are closed. So this is the difference between ها and همزة. And همزة, our vocal cords not opened, but with ها they are opened. And then here, the deepest part of the throat, أقصى الحلق, means the farthest part from the mouth and closest to the chest. From here, we pronounce همزة and ها from أقصى الحلق. From this part that it's farthest to the mouth but close to the chest, we pronounce همزة and ها. Then middle part, وسط الحلق, where we pronounce عين and ها. Then closest part, when we pronounce غين and خا. And here the letters همزة, ها, عين, حا, غين, خا. And here throat letters without with vowels, فتحة and كسرة and ضمة. Okay, let's pronounce them. First one, A, E, U, ها, هي, هو, ع, عي, عو, حا, حي, حو, غا, غي, غو, خا, خي, خو. And yeah, Nafisa, if you remember, we said before, letter غاين and خا, they are heavy letters because the back of our tongue, when we pronounce them, raised to the roof of our mouths. So غاين and خا, they are heavy letters. So again, الحلق, throat, how many letters that we pronounce from throat? 6 letters. And throat, there are 3 points in throat. أقصى الحلق, أدنى الحلق, and وسط الحلق أقصى deepest part middle part closest part همزة ها عين حا غين خا. And the difference between همزة and ha, when we pronounce همزة our vocal cords closed, but with the ha they are opened. Okay, and that's all. Thank you يا نفيسة, and see you إن شاء الله next video, and السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.